building software is fundamentally a discovery process. Normally, the people that we're interacting with don't know a lot about software development. I mean, they see software, they have a general sense of what it can do, but they don't understand the complexity. A lot of times they have no idea about what budget is going to be. And there's a lot of vagueness to what can we do, how much would it cost. There's also somewhat of a vagueness towards what they actually want. But if I start the conversation with, tell me what your business is, tell me what your business problems are, I'm happy to get to what you think you need built from a software perspective, but let me understand that context first. Let me gain empathy for you as a business person or as a business. Ultimately, that results in me potentially and often being able to suggest ways of doing things that might reduce complexity or might have a better user experience, be a lot cheaper to build. I've had a number of conversations that ultimately sound like, I could do it like that, but I could actually do it this way a lot simpler and you wouldn't be giving up a lot, and I still think that would get you what you want. And had people go, oh, that's awesome. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Let's do it that way, because it might cut off 75% of the cost. Understanding where the client wants to go, having frequent revisits with them. How are things going? Are you happy with this? Are we heading in the right direction? All of that is part of client empathy, and all of that is ultimately how we mitigate the biggest risk, which is we end up building the wrong thing. So I don't think we're fundamentally unique. Like there's one of us and we're the only one who are doing this. There's other companies who are doing it well. The difficulty is there's a lot of companies who are not doing it well. And it's very difficult for a person who's not educated in software development, who's not in the industry, to be able to get through, the salesmanship BS that makes everybody sound the same. I sleep really well at night. When I do sleep really well at night, one of the reasons I sleep well is because I know we are telling our customers the truth all the time.